largest hydroponic store in the world wants to show you one of 30 trimming products we carry for all gardener types.
This is the actual trimmer head that's going to be doing all the work for you here. This is your speedster type rheostat controller. And they even give you a little lubrication pen to keep those teeth from sticking. All packaged in a very attractive case. Hard case, might I add, in case you drop it. You don't have to worry about it breaking. I'm going to put a couple drops of lubrication on the blades here. Keep them moving good. Just a dab will do ya. Product that they offer is Super Lube.
It's Super Lube?
Super Lube. It says very specifically may cause eye irritation. Ideal for hunting, fishing, hobby, household, marine, automotive.
It's called Super Lube?
Super Lube, but don't use this in the bedroom, I'm thinking.
It's a little better than the Boo Boo Lube.
The Boo Boo Lube?
Yeah.
When it comes to pin caps, you can be a nerd and stick it in your pocket.
Wait, can you show us that in action? Yeah, I officially don't know you anymore.
Okay, so as you can see, it's got a rheostat on there. It starts it off, and you can control exactly how many revolutions per minute you're going to be getting out of there. That is high speed for this particular device.
Now, be very careful of where the wire is as you're doing this, because you will
cut the wire. Don't stick your finger in there. It's obviously a moving part.
There's a safety aspect, so it won't chop off your finger, but it probably will cut it. Yeah, it's
fairly quickly.
It's definitely a great de-leafer. For the guys that de-leaf and hang their plants, they don't cut their flowers or manicure them all the way to the final desired manicuring level. The guys that are literally just de-fanning or de-water leafing and hanging, this is a phenomenal product for you because you've been de-leafing with scissors, and this is really going to speed up that time. Now, it will leave some stem if you're doing it really fast, of course, but it's a great product for those that are still going to be doing a final trim on the back end. I mean, this is really a great solution. Now, those folks that have seen the Bonsai Hero, it's a product that's been out of Europe for a while. This is a variation of that, very similar. So let's see how quick he can de-leaf one entire branch. Let's start with a fresh branch.
Let's pick a big one. Let's give this thing a good challenge.
How about one off the ground? Because the other one's going to get cut anyways. Delete the whole branch.
Uh-oh.
Now, this is a very inexpensive device. We definitely see it for a larger gardener that's trying to speed up their de-leafing process. This is probably not going to be a product for the single light gardener, though a lot of single light gardeners might like this product depending on what their trimming style is. It definitely has a tolerance. And the reason why it has a tolerance is because it doesn't want to chop off your fingers.
Yeah, this particular sage plant is not very woody, and you notice that it stopped when it hit the main stem and caused very little damage to it. You can see right there where it stopped. Definitely faster than I could do it with a pair of scissors, I'll tell you that.
I mean, how many scissors would you equate this to? Like 2 people with scissors?
I would say 2 faster people.
2 fast people with scissors, or maybe 3
newbies.
3 newbies or 3 slow or talkative individuals such as ourselves.
And let's see how the blade looks. It looks like the lubrication actually helped out quite a bit. You can see there's very little plant oil stuck on the blade there, so the lubrication they give you is definitely a good lubricant.
This is just that last branch that we did.
That last branch that we did right there. That's pretty impressive.
We've tested a lot of trimming products. What would you rate this out of a 10 if you're just using it for de-leafing?
If you're just using it for de-leafing, I'd give it like an 8.5 or maybe even a 9.
Nice.
Actually, this is when I first saw it, I was a little skeptical. It looks like it's kind of not not the super most advanced machine that I've ever seen, but in actual practical usage of it, it seems to work pretty well, actually. I was pleasantly surprised about this machine and its simplicity, the weight, and the attractive packaging that it came in as well.
Now, do you think you could do it two-handed? No, I'm just kidding.
Actually, if I had the rheostat and everything out of the way, I think I could do two at the same time, kind of like this.
Mm-hmm.
I think
maybe for the outdoor guys that have large, self-supporting trees.
Yeah, as long as you got a generator or some source of electrical current, that'd definitely be a good way to go. This and thousands of other great products are available at monstergardens.com.
You can buy all of these products and many more at monstergardens.com. Use the link below this screen.